Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are kicking it back to oldie but goodie nail art, which is something so simple, such a perfect look for someone who needs last minute manicure idea for Christmas. And it is combination of gold and white, which is my favorite. You want to paint your nails of nail polishes of your choice. You want to make sure they are gold, metallic and white. So this is something that is super easy to do, but before moving to the next step, all your nails have to be fully dry, especially the nails that we painted white, because on them we will be creating stripes, and for that we will need nail striping tapes. These little nail tapes you can find at any nail art store, or you can find them online depending on what is your preference, but then you want to apply it on your dry nail. And now we're going to fill it in with our metallic gold nail polish of our choice. And I love this one. I mean, I love metallic nail polishes. I love gold and I love silver. Currently, I'm more into gold and rose gold, but can you believe that I don't own any rose gold metallic nail polish? I actually own at least 3 metallic gold nail polishes, but none rose gold. I never seen rose gold metallic. But anyway, you want to remove nail tapes right away. You don't want to wait for your nail polish to dry, because trust me on this one, you don't want to wait for your nail polish to dry. And after that is done, you want to go in with some top coat of your choice. I love top coats, and I don't want to repeat myself, but it's something that is a must for me. But I know that you guys know that by now from my videos. But yeah, you should wait for your lines that you just created to dry at least a bit, because sometimes the top coat can drag it. And there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you tomorrow with a new video. Until then, never let anyone dull your sparkle. Bye.